Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead, and today we're going to plant raspberries. Alright, so today we're going to plant some raspberries. Now, this is our second attempt at putting raspberries in this area. Last year, we bought some soft fruit from Tractor Supply that ended up being dead. And so it got too late in the season, and so we never gave it another go. And so this year we bought our stuff early in the season, and believe it or not, in our area, Walmart had the best looking raspberry plants. And so out here in this area, we have 2 rows that are about 100 feet long with poles about every 6 to 6.5 feet apart. Now, we only bought 6 plants. What we're going to do is space these plants out between the 2 rows enough that's going to encourage them to send out shoots on both sides all the way down the line. Now, how we planted our raspberries was we just took post hole diggers to dig the hole. And then we supplemented that hole with pig muck. It came from the little shed that we had last year where we had the piglets in it, where we were putting straw in there. They'd roll all around in it, defecate on it, basically turn it into compost. And so we used that to supplement the hole. Placed our plants in there, covered them up. Well, didn't cover them up, covered up to the crown. And then we mulched on top of them with some hay that was left over out in the pasture from the round bales from the cows. Hopefully these raspberries will take. We won't know until later this summer. So keep an eye out for update videos on our raspberry line. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless, and have a nice day.